miles. Coastal waters from Altamont Sound to Fernandina Beach, Florida, 20 nautical miles until 1 a.m. At 58 p.m., National Weather Service radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater and possible waterspouts 5 nautical miles north of Atlantic Beach, moving northeast at 20 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, and heavy rains. Boaters should until this storm passes. Radar indicates rotation with this storm, and a waterspout is possible. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 1 o'clock a.m. Tuesday for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Altamont Sound to St. Augustine, now 20 nautical miles.